Hello, 20s. Finally, I've seen a lady I'll call you guys. So, good morning, 20s. Good afternoon, 20s. Good evening, 20s. Anyway, yeah, that. Let's see. Imagine you are doing live stream, and someone is doing something annoying, and it is pissing you off big time. Let's be sincere with each other. See, I know some people will come on your live show to come and frustrate your life, and you don't want to end the live stream because of this particular person that is annoying you. What will you do? Anyway, let me show you some of what I'm saying. This person, I was doing a live stream, and someone was saying something very annoying in the live stream. Something like this. Let's use this Vcast for example now. Can you see him? He was saying something that was annoying in the live stream. This is his comment. I basically needed somebody for practical for this video that I needed to do, because somebody has to be the scapegoat for this video. Anyway, so first I made a trusted friend, an admin or a moderator on YouTube. How will you do it? You hold the person down like this. You say make as admin, standard or Kinecon. That is it. So then you tell the person, what should you do? Any comment that you see that these people are comment that you don't like, delete the person or give the person time out. So what will you do? You click on the person name first. You will see options like report, remove comment, channel activity, how the person channel activity, and many things. So when you see the option like report, it means what? You want to report the person channel. Remove comment means you want to remove the person comment. Channel activity meaning how the person performed in your channel. Check what I'm saying. Why is it go to channel? That means you want to go and check how the person channel is. If the person is a YouTuber or the person just comes to check for things. Yes. And you can say put users in timeout. And you can see what? Hide users on this channel. So what do I do? I click on what? Put user in timeout. And it will ask for how long? 10 seconds, 20 seconds. How many seconds are you want? 1 minute, 30 minutes, 24 hours. Anything you like, you pick. Sure, you understand? Can you see it? So I click on 24 hours. I know that I don't feel like stream for 24 hours, but I was just pissed off with this person. Did you see it? When I was on truth, because say sit up there has been timed out for 24 hours. I want to respect about this thing that you'll be able to see the live stream, but no way to comment during the live stream. And OS it passes boundary. So we can give them 10 seconds timer, make the tip but we give them 20 minutes. Make them 30 minutes. So that is it. You don't going to your live stream, but you cannot comment and you cannot pass the boundary anymore. So that is what you do when somebody gets you angry, give your live stream. Yes. So I hope you found the video helpful. See you in my next video. I hope you found the video helpful. See you in my next video. So that anybody that provoke you on live stream, you do it for the person and I reward. I am Bulu Vibes. Bye bye.